Okay, guys, we're gonna do soda pop now because everybody asked it. I'm doing this for the fans, for the fans.
Sorry. Hey, 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 hey. So what you need I need you to feel me. Mexico, Mexico. I think that designer. Gonna be even in oh yeah. Could be even in that. But I need so sweet. Every sim, make me one boy. Yeah. Look at that. It's got like that. Take a big bite of this bite. Yeah. What did you know? What have done the modu? What you in my heart? I owe you so tight.